What's up, guys, and how is everybody doing? Been raining for the past couple of days down here. It's all right. It's not bad. Cools things off. It's not even hot. I don't miss the air conditioner at all. Right, Lut?
Yeah.
I got Lut here with me. Didn't need to, we have a fan. We run a fan at night and it cools us off. During the day, it's a nice breeze. Like right now, it's a nice breeze. Don't need the air conditioner. Will I need it in the future? Probably. But as of now, I haven't had the desire to even turn an air conditioner on. I know it sounds strange. We are heading up to Pure Gold. Pure Gold, our biggest grocery store here in the area. And I'll show you the Pure Gold. Pure Gold's a grocery store. They're all over the Philippines. Some are big, some are small. This one's, I guess it's kind of on the small side, but it does have the things that we need. Also, I want to thank everybody for, not everybody, because there's always the negative Nancy's out there. The negative Nancy's, the ones that don't have a life, don't have no dreams, don't have no goals. There's always negative Nancy's out there, right? But I want to thank all you guys for your positive comments about us moving here. And like I said, this is what we want, not what you want. You might want that condo. You might want that house. You might want that mall. That's you. This is us. So, all right, we got to get down here and grab ourselves a trike. All right, now we wait. Wait along the highway. Here comes a trike. I don't know. The thing here with these trikes are big. Right, they can hold to what, 2, 4, 5 people? Something like that. We'll show you when it pulls up. Completely different trike than in Angeles City. There's room in these trikes. You can move in these trikes. From where we grabbed the trike on the highway here into Dapa, like I said, we are on the outskirts of Dapa. We're not in the city of Dapa. What's it, about 10-minute ride, maybe 10 minutes, 15 probably to like the port. Guys, here's the thing, 20 pesos.
Yeah.
20 pesos per person now. All right, so if there's 2 of you, of course it's 40, but if you're by yourself, 20 pesos. I don't think you're getting skin taxed out here, at least in this area. I don't think they do the skin tax.
You don't do the skin tax if you know the person.
Well, they don't even.
You have someone.
Yeah, but no skin tax out in the province. Come on, Trike, Trike, Trike. You're not going to clap your hands and scream Trike out here, that's for sure. They'll never hear you. Hopefully this guy will pick us up. Trike, wave him down. Oh, come on, Trike. Oh, Trike. That's a private Trike. Oop, ambulance, ambulance. There he goes, ambulance. All right. Well, that was a private Trike. It's starting to rain.
Oh boy.
Oh boy, Trike. Look, clap and scream, Trike.
No, you can't do it.
Oh, here comes another Trike.
Okay,
I think that's a service
that's
still.
a service too.
We have one of them tuk-tuks, like they're tuk-tuks. They call them tuk-tuks in other countries. Here, it's a modern trike, I guess you could say. That guy? How about that guy?
I don't know.
Will he take us? We had one stop, but he wanted
Because,
too much. He didn't want to bargain. Come on. Yeah, come on, buddy. Come on. Maybe he lives up that way.
I don't know.
Is he going to take us? This could be a private guy, right?
Let's see.
They're not marked. All we got to do is get in a Dapa. That's going to take us to Dapa.
Dong sa dapa. Huh? Oh.
Yeah, will you take us, my man? Thank you, my friend. All right. You can see the seat here. 2 here, 2 and 2, 6 in the driver. All right. All right, here we go. Time to go to Dapa. Right back there, line. Definitely a different trike than we're used to in Angeles City. Gets you there, right? Gets you there. All right, let let me get these numbers straight. Let me get these numbers straight. It was 25 pesos per person from where we got picked up into Dapa, and then from Dapa up here to Pure Gold. Lutz said she thinks because it's the weekend, because I know we got them for 40. Either way, 50 pesos. Took us 100 pesos to get up here to Pure Gold. All right, 25 is 50. Another 25 and 25 is another 50. That is 100 pesos. You ain't gonna beat that. You're not gonna beat that. Anyways, here we are. Here's the Pure Gold. Like I said, it's not very big. It's a pretty nice side, Pure Gold. And this is all kind of new back in here. You get this handyman, which I think is an appliance or like a hardware store. And to the left, it appears there's a Mercury drugstore that's getting ready to come in. It's over there, and there's a National Bookstore, a bench. I don't know what bench is. I think a hairdresser place. But this is the place. This is where the people come to shop. There's your parking here. There's your parking for your trikes and stuff. You got little snack places to eat. So let's head into Pure Gold and better get some shopping done. And straight across the road here is where you will yell for Trike. There's a Trike stand right there. So let's go grab some groceries. All right, ladies and gentlemen, due to copyright music. Yes, copyright music. They even play music into Pure Gold here on Sherga Island. Due to copyright music, we'll do a hyperlapse. Alright guys, we just finished up shopping. I wish I could have showed you more, but the music, man, it just, you know how it is here in the Philippines. They love to play music so loud, and but there are things in there that we buy on a daily basis back in English, and if not, guys, Lazada does ship here too. I looked at quite a few things that I like I love Bush's baked beans, right? They don't have them in here. They do have baked beans, and I can make do with them. But I looked on Lazada, and guess what? They can ship Bush's baked beans. But yeah, good little store. Good little store. All your meats and stuff. Look, we'll get it to market. You are going to pay a little more at a Pure Gold because it's Pure Gold, right? Anyways, we're out here right now. We're hungry. I'm going with a pulled pork barbecue right there. Let's go with the smoked ham and cheese. We're going with the banana shake at $1.20 for the fruit. But they do have, let me show you. They have these eating stands out here. This is new. Andux is chicken, right? That's new. Because they got the balloons out there, so and it says 24 hours. Wow. So if I get hungry, I could come up here in the middle of the night and get me some Andux. And then you got a little stand right here. Hello. This is like shomai and hot dogs and french fries and noodles and all kinds of good stuff. Hey. And then here's your Andux and Shakey's. I've seen this across the street here. Shakey's on wheels. If I'm not mistaken, that's pizza, but it's on wheels. So yeah, this is a hopping spot through here. And I know once they get that Mercury drugstore open, I will be up here. That's where I'm planning to get my medication. And I was told that's opening real soon. So yeah, it's crazy, guys, because this is like, I don't know, like you would say this is kind of like your hot spot here, right? Yeah, it's weird. It's like this is your hot spot here. right, we got one more stop. We're at the market here. I'm gonna do a video on the market. I'm gonna get down here in the morning when the boats come in and all the fish come in and stuff, and it's neat to see. It's a lot. Actually, I'm surprised. It's pretty busy right now. It is a Saturday. I don't know, 3, 4 o'clock, something like that. It is pretty busy now. You know, I was talking about these prices for these trike rides, right? I don't know. We took the trike from Pure Gold down here to the market, right? And the guy had said, he told Lut 100 pesos. It's like, Kuya, it's 25 and 25. Oh no, because we have a box. Let me show you the box, all right? Because we have our box, right? That's an extra 50 pesos. What are you gonna do? I mean, I'm not. I don't know. What are you gonna do, right? All I always think is, you know what? In Angeles City, and I will refer to Angeles City because that's where I'm coming from, and that's where I'm comparing things here to. In Angeles City, I could stand at the Trike, or at the Trike stand, all right, at the Jeep, right there at the Jeepney terminal, all right, Friendship Terminal, at the Trike stand, look across the road and see them all, and they're charging me 100 pesos. Here, I'd say in both directions we probably went 3, 4 miles, give or take. I'm not doing kilometers, and still dirt cheap. Still dirt cheap. But yeah, things are coming alive. Well, they're alive right now in the market here. You smell somebody's got barbecue going. Like I said, hi Will, hello.
How are you, my friend?
Good, how are you, my friend? All right.
You buy something?
My asawa's in there, yes.
Ah, okay.
You already buy it. But this is market. Like I said, I'm going to take a cruise to the market here some other time. Not today, not tonight, in the future. So, all right, guys, with that being said, I'm going to go back. Little cook some breakfast, or she'll cook some dinner tonight on the open fire. And stay tuned because this journey is starting here real soon, and I'm excited. And like I said in the beginning of the video, thank you so much for all the positive comments. There are a lot of positive people out there. The negative people, well, the negative people that left negative comments, fuck you, go to hell. How about that? All right, we'll talk to you later.